See, that comes up pretty darn easily. Oh gosh, no. Oh, no wonder why it... Oh, that's just disgusting. Look at that. Look at the sticker. Holy crap, the whole thing. No wonder why it's not working.
Hello, this is Telomere and welcome to another repair video. In this video, we are looking at this Xbox One controller that, as you can see, is clearly not working. The other buttons are working fine, but on that D-pad, the right button is just not doing it for us. Let's take a look inside and see what is going on.
Now this is a controller that I've worked on before, so you can see that I've already got these creatures out. I've got to take it apart. I was doing some testing there after. The thing is that this was dirty. This pad right here was really sticky. So I took the entire controller apart and took a look inside, and lo and behold, it is not the same as these carbon pad based ones, unfortunately, which meant that cleaning alone was not enough. So let's take this thing apart. Let me show you what the issue is and what you gotta buy to get this fixed. The part's not particularly expensive. You should be able to get it. I don't know about Amazon, but there's some places out there, like places that specifically sell equipment for repairing game consoles. This is from Mobile Centrics, and they sell to shops and stuff like that. Dpad buttons, conductive PCB board. That's basically what you're looking for. It's basically a sticker. It's a very fancy way to say a sticker that has metal pieces in it or something like that. Okay, well, I got all that apart. I got the membrane out beforehand. I've never taken one of these off before. This is a new experience for me. But it is just a sticker. That's all it is. So what you do with the sticker, you heat it up. Doesn't need to be like scalding hot. I just want to get underneath there. I'm not going to be using... Okay, that's pretty good. I'm not going to be using anything sharp to get underneath there. I'm worried about using not much more than plastic, because if I use something that's made of metal, I'm worried that I'm going to end up scraping into something that I wasn't intending to. See, that comes up pretty darn easily. Oh gosh, no. Oh, no wonder why it... Oh, that's just disgusting. Look at that. Look at the sticker. Holy crap, the whole thing. No wonder why it's not working. I have no words. If you end up dealing with something like this, just gotta give you a really quick heads up. Do not use alcohol to try to clean that away at first. I'm gonna spray this in this corner right here. I was doing this earlier to clean away some of the other. This is just dish soap, like regular dish soap mixed with water. Just go in there, and it breaks down the sugary liquid, because if you try to do this with with alcohol, it has a terrible time trying to break down the sugars. Look at that. Oh, gross. I'm gonna go over this with some alcohol afterwards just to dry it out. Next, what I'm using here is 99.9% isopropyl alcohol. Put some on the Q-tip and a whole bunch on the board. I'm just trying to dry it out. This will evaporate rapidly. And in doing so, hopefully it'll remove the water at the same time. You can always use the heat gun on it to evaporate the remaining alcohol. It does it pretty quick though, I gotta say. Hopefully I don't lose anything while I get this up. There. I already don't remember how this was placed. Probably something around here. It was pretty close to that corner bottom left. If you don't have this exact, it's gonna be troublesome. So I gotta get it exact. I'm a little tempted to use my microscope for this just in case. But let's see if that's done the trick. Bottom's off, I think. Let's take a look underneath the microscope. Here is this sticker. It's not bad. You can see that it is about a millimeter, maybe half a millimeter up too high. You can see that right there, right here, there's that gap. That one's fine, just barely. This is the one that I'm a little worried about. I think it'll be okay, and it's simply because you're trying to connect the
the outer ring here, that carbon ring right here, to the inner one. So I think we're okay.
Okay, well, that's done. It's really just a matter of testing right now. Now I'm going to test this right now because these are incredibly hard to get off. So let's move over to there and just take a look at my computer for my my testing program. I got a website I like to use called hardwaretester.com/gamepad. It works amazing. And here's the normal buttons. I'm not going to press the other one until just showing everything else working. And now for the final test. Is it working? Haha, there you go. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing right there. So that's all there is to this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, and if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. We'll see you guys all in another video. Bye.